If you suspect that your number has been blocked on an Android phone, here are some indicators to look for. First, try calling the person. If your calls consistently go straight to the voicemail or disconnect after a single ring, it might mean that you have been blocked. However, this could also happen if their phone is off or has no signal at all. Next, you can send a text message as well. And if your messages repeatedly fail to deliver or you get no reply, this could also be another sign. You could also try calling from a different phone number if blocked, and keep in mind that Android phones and service providers handle blocking in various ways. So the signs aren't definitive proof that you have been blocked. The most reliable way to confirm is to directly ask the person using another method. Or sometimes, in some cases, you might have blocked that specific person that you're trying to connect. To check that, you can open your keypad, click on the three dots in the top right corner, select settings, then after select block numbers option, and here you'll get the list of numbers that you've blocked in your Android phone. Then you can go ahead and press the dash button beside that specific number to unblock that specific person. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.